Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. Please open this book, Cambridge Inspiring Science of Grade 1. Please open page number 70 of lesson We Need Air. This lesson is, look at here, we need air. After doing fill in the blanks, true false, question answers and back exercise of this lesson, and after doing reading, fill in the blanks, back exercise and question answers, now we will complete labeling of this lesson. First of all, I am telling you what is labeling. Labeling means we will show you a picture. After seeing, you will have to write what is the picture of it, and you will have to write information about this picture. So I am going to help you. How can you do this work? Look at here, I am hiding this. So this is labeling of this lesson. First of all, I am writing here, this is labeling, LABELLING. This page is of labeling. You will have to label picture. In exams, you will have to label picture. When we provide picture, you will have to write the information about this, like this way. What is the picture of it you are seeing here? You will have to write here, it is windy, it is wind. What is it? This is wind. This moving air is called wind, so you will write here only wind. What is the picture of it? You are seeing strong wind along with rain that cause damage. This wind is going to uproot the tree. You are seeing it is raining. You are seeing though. So what is the picture of it? This is storm. This is storm. So after seeing picture, you will have to write spelling STORM, like this way. So this is labeling of this chapter that is given on page number 70. You will have to write like this way. After seeing picture, you will have to write what is the picture of it, and you will have to write information about this picture and these kinds of pictures. Now open this lesson, weather. This is weather. We will complete labeling of this lesson. This page number 80 is here. Page number 80 is here. This picture is of, look at here. First of all, this is also labeled. This picture is of, look at this picture. What kind of weather is it? You can see what kind of day was it. You are seeing here. You can see clouds are here. The sun is hiding behind the sun. Sun is here. Clouds, you can see there are clouds on the sky, and the sun is hiding behind the sun, behind the clouds. The sun is hiding behind the clouds, and this girl is looking happy. So you will write here, this is cloudy. What kind of day it is? You will write here, this is cloudy. This is cloudy. Don't need to write cloudy day. This is only, you will write here cloudy. This is cloudy. CLOUDY. I am giving you information. So what is the picture of it? This is cloudy. Next one is, look at here, This is this labeling. Look at this labeling. What is the picture of it? This is rainy. This is rainy. So you will have to write, because it is rainy. This boy is holding an umbrella and this girl is wearing a raincoat. So you will write here rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. Next one picture is of, look at here, I am showing you. Look at this picture. Now look at this picture. You are seeing this is a cold day. The wind is cold. They wore woolen clothes. Look at here. And they are sitting close to a fire. They are sitting close to a fire. What kind of day is it? You can write here. It is. This page is also included as labeling. So you will write here cold. C-O-L-D. Cold day. You can write here day. This is a cold day of winter. So you will have to complete this like this way. First of all, you will write cloudy. Second is rainy. Third is cold day. Next one, I am showing you a picture. What is the picture of it? Look at here. You are seeing the air is moving fast. You can look at this tree, look at this hat, and look at these leaves. What is it? We can say this is strong wind that can blow on a windy day. So you can write here this is windy. W-I-N-D-Y. This is windy. You can write here windy. After seeing this picture, you can write here this is windy. The weather is mostly cool on windy days. You are seeing on windy days the air blows away leaves. Look at here. This kind of air blows away leaves. You are seeing leaves. After seeing leaves, you can easily tell to anyone it is windy. It is wind. It is windy. So you will okay students, you will have to complete labeling of these chapters. We need air and weather like this way. Today you will have to learn labeling of lesson. We need air and we need air and weather. After revising labeling of these chapters, you will have to learn all lesson we need air. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.